As we have discussed now about conjunction, a conjunction is a word that joins two words, two group of words, or two sentences. They are also called joining words. We have discussed this just now. So let us see the function of conjunction. Every conjunction has its own role for joining words or sentences. We cannot put them anywhere. We have to put them in suitable and appropriate place for joining two words or two sentences. So let us follow the book. Open your grammar book, page number 116. Let's see what are some conjunctions given in our book and its functions. And is used to join words or sentences that are similar. That means same type of. Example, Rahul is a tall and smart. Now, this tall and smart is an adjective, and these words are telling about the quality of Rahul. So, Rahul is tall and smart. But is used to join opposite thoughts or things that are different. It is used to join opposite thoughts or things that are different. Example, Smita likes summer, but her brother does not. So these are the just opposite of each other. You can say, I like ice cream, but my sister does not like. Okay, like that. You also can say, my sister likes to watch television, but my brother does not. Maybe your brother likes playing cricket. Next, because. To say why something happens. To say why something happens means we have to ask questions here. Why? What is the reason? I could not go to school because I was unwell. Okay, you were absent in the school, and when somebody is asking why were you absent there yesterday, so your answer will be, I could not go to school because I was unwell. So here because is used to say why something happens. Okay, next, or to show a choice or an alternative. Here we have the options, we have to choose something, or we have two options, we have to take this or that. Would you prefer custard or pudding? Okay, here we can say choice is here. It's depend on us which one we like. When the guest comes in your home, maybe your father or maybe your mother asks that particular guest, would you prefer tea or coffee? Okay, first they give them the choice, and they say whatever they would like, tea or coffee. Okay, so let's move. Study the table to learn the functions of some more conjunctions. For to say why something happens, I go to the park every day for I love fresh air. Nor to join two negative alternatives, I will not sing nor dance. Here two alternative negative things are there. Yet to join two contrasting ideas, Rima was unwell, yet she helped me. So shows that the second idea is the result of the first. Okay, so is used to show that the second idea is the result of the first. Example, I wasn't feeling well, so I did not go to the party. Next, although, to show contrast. Anika kept speaking in the meeting, although she was tired. Unless, to see what follows a certain happening. You won't succeed unless you work hard. When, states the time for something to happen. We will go to Marine Drive when we travel to Mumbai. So here are some conjunctions we have seen, and according to this we can use them for joining sentences in our English language.